Planning to switch to a new iPhone or worried about losing contacts? Easy Backup is a fast and simple way to back up and restore your iPhone contacts. In this video, we'll explore its features and how it compares to alternatives like MobiKin Assistant for iOS, for those who need more advanced options. Part 1. What is Easy Backup? Easy Backup lets you quickly back up and restore iPhone contacts with one tap. You can export contacts as a VecFF file to store or share. It's simple, beginner-friendly, and perfect for contact protection and recovery. Part 2. Key features of Easy Backup. One-tap backup. Easily backup all your contacts with one tap. Secure cloud backup. Upload contacts to the cloud for safe storage and recovery. Export as VecFF files. Export contacts as VecFF files for easy sharing and storage. Easy contact transfer. Transfer contacts between devices with a simple restore. Multiple sharing options. Send backup files via email or other apps. Simple recovery. Quickly restore deleted contacts from backups. Easy Backup is a fast, simple tool for backing up and restoring iPhone contacts. Part 3. Pros and cons of Easy Backup. Pros. One-tap backup. Quick contact scanning. Export contacts as VecFF. Easy restoration on new devices. Cons. Only backs up contacts. Some features require payment. Incomplete backups reported. Limited contact editing. Part 4. How to use Easy Backup. Step 1. Install and open Easy Backup, then allow access to contacts. Step 2. Tap Backup Now to create a contact backup. Step 3. Export the backup as a VecFF file via email, cloud, or device. Step 4. To restore, open the backup file and import contacts. Part 5. Best Easy Backup Alternative. Easy Backup is great for quick contact backups but lacks advanced features. MobiKin Assistant for iOS offers a more versatile solution, allowing backup and management of various iPhone data like contacts, photos, and messages. How to use MobiKin Assistant for iOS to back up data. Step 1. Install and launch Assistant for iOS. Download and install MobiKin Assistant for iOS on your Windows or Mac computer. Open the program and connect your iPhone via USB cable. Step 2. Scan your device. Once connected, the software will automatically detect your iPhone. Click on the file types displayed on the left sidebar to allow the program to scan your device for data. Step 3. Preview and select data. You'll be able to see all the data on your iPhone in a well-organized format. Select the data you want to back up, for example, contacts, photos, etc. Step 4. Backup iPhone to computer. Click the Export button to back up the selected data to your computer. You can specify an output location to save the backup files.